Hi, my name is Tyria Stokes, 35 years old, a single mother to a son named Zion who's 20 months, been singing since the age of 3, and I also have been in education for 10 plus years. I was born and raised in Jersey City, New Jersey, and I currently live in Newark, New Jersey. My reason for moving is because when I was pregnant, I was high risk and it became too much with back and forth traveling to work, so I moved closer to my job. That is actually the only reason why I left Jersey City, despite the crime level and all of those things. Jersey City is definitely a place that I hold dear to my heart. And when I begin to do more of my nonprofit work, I will continue to do that in Jersey City. So I decided to get my master's when I was, or a year before I got pregnant. Once I got pregnant, I had to drop the program because, again, I was high risk and it was too much stress. However, I was doing psychology, and in that time of my pregnancy, I realized that working in the school system, there was a lack of the community engagement. So I actually kind of created my own career path, which is stakeholders engagement specialist, which most people just consider it a community engagement specialist. However, I want to actually focus on the staff, students, parents, and community, bringing all stakeholders together in helping the academic success of our students. So being active and giving that support, I want to be able to actually construct those events and things that take place within education to support our scholars. My favorite high school teacher was Lillian P. Williams. She was my English teacher. She actually was my mom's teacher first. And then when I got into high school, she was my teacher for 3 years. This lady just knew how to bring the best out of young women. And I loved her for that. She taught me so much as a young lady. And she also taught me to always give my best in no matter what the subject was, whether I was strong in it, weak in it, not confident. She just was that person to always push me forward. So she was my favorite teacher of all times. Least favorite teacher, I really did not have one. I chose Aldine Sells because he was my music teacher. However, my sophomore year, he retired. He had been in education for 30 years, and I could not wait to get to Snyder High School to be under his tutelage. But when he retired, they never replaced the music teacher. Everyone that came and stayed for like a week or two and then they quit. So I ended up starting the gospel choir at our high school, but that music teacher we never really had. So he would be my least favorite because he left us and he was amazing at what he did. And if I had to choose one food to eat for the rest of my life at dinner, it would be seafood. And I actually would do that breakfast, lunch, and dinner. Seafood is my absolute favorite type of food. And if that was all I had to eat, my cholesterol would probably be high, but I would be happy. I look forward to interacting with you all during this class, and nice to meet you all.